this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase the downloading speed of Epic Games. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have my Epic Games Store open, and currently I'm downloading Fortnite, which is around 41.8 gigabyte. And you can see my downloading speed is not that much. To download a 41.8 gigabyte game, currently you can see my speed is around 100 or maybe 150 kilobytes. So in order to increase the downloading speed, what you have to do is you have to go and click on the top right on your profile picture, and then you're gonna go to settings, and from here you have to enable the throttle download. Now remember, you have to set the throttle download speed just according to your internet connection. Now if you have an unstable and fast internet connection, then you can set the speed to 10,000 or maybe 20,000 kilobytes if you have a proper and stable internet connection. Now right now I don't have the stable internet connection, so I'm going to type here 1300, and after setting the speed to 1300 kilobytes, now I'm going to again go to downloads, and you can see my downloading speed is increased. Now in the case if your downloading speed is not increased, so you have to wait for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes your downloading speed will be increased. Anyway, so this is how you can increase your downloading speed on Epic Games. So this is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.